Hi guys! In this video, I'm going to show you how to download Instagram videos using your laptop or your PC. Just keep on watching this video and let's get started. So go to your Google, click the three dots here, then on More Tools, click Extensions, then click the three lines here, which is Main Menu, then click Open Chrome Web Store. So on the search bar, type downloader for Instagram, then I will use this one, then click Add to Chrome, then click Add Extension here. So it open a new tab for downloader for Instagram. So after this, let's close all the tabs here. So I will click New Tab. Then I will just log into Instagram. So right here, I will choose a video to download. So for example, I will download this one. So right here, you will see a download button. Click this one. So just click Save to download the Instagram video. And that's it. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any question. Have a good day!